If your company has missed filing of Form MGT7 and AOC4, then you might already be accumulating a fees of rupees 100 per day as late filing fees. और अगर ये डिले और ज़्यादा हुआ तो डायरेक्टर्स पे भी पेनल्टी लग सकती है. In this video, I'll explain what is MGT7 and AOC4, what are the due dates, how late filing fees is calculated, is there any maximum limit, and what sections apply under the law. So before you rush to file the forms, watch this video till the end. What is MGT7? MGT7 is the annual return of the company. It is filed under Section 92 of the Companies Act 2013. MGT7 में कंपनी की सारी बेसिक डिटेल्स होती हैं, जैसे कि रजिस्टर्ड ऑफिस डिटेल, शेयर होल्डिंग पैटर्न, डायरेक्टर्स डिटेल, डिटेल्स ऑफ मीटिंग्स हेल्ड ड्यूरिंग द ईयर. Every company must file this form annually. Now, what is AOC4? Form AOC4 is filed under Section 137 of the Companies Act 2013. This form contains financial statements of the company, balance sheet, profit and loss account, auditor's report. And with the introduction of this form on MCA V3 portal, auditor's report is also filed as an attached linked form to Form AOC4. And if CSR and related party transactions are also there in your company, then Form CSR2 is also required to be filed as a linked form, and Form AOC2 is also required to be filed as a linked form with Form AOC4. So MGT7 is annual return, while Form AOC4 is financial statements filing, and both are mandatory to file. Now let's talk about the due dates. Form AOC4 is filed within 30 days from the date of the annual general meeting, and Form MGT7 is to be filed within 60 days from the date of annual general meeting. For example, if the AGM of the company is held on 30th September, then AOC4 is due by 30th October and MGT7 is due by 29th of November. अगर आपने इन डेट्स के बाद फाइल किया, then late filing fees start immediately. Now, the most important part. What is late filing fees? So currently, it is rupees 100 per day with no maximum cap. Yes, you heard that right. There is no maximum cap and this 100 rupees continue to apply till you file the form. Now let's say your AOC4 is delayed by 45 days. Then the fees which will be applied on filing will be rupees 4,500. If MGT7 is also delayed by 45 days, then the fees on MGT7 will also be rupees 4,500, the total of which goes up to rupees 9,000. And if the delay is of let's say 100 days, then it goes to 10,000 per form. So late filing करना financially risky हो सकता है. Important point. Late filing fees is automatic. सिस्टम खुद कैलकुलेट करता है MCA पोर्टल पर when you file the form. तो चाहे आप डिले गलती से करें या फिर इंटेंशनली करें, ₹100 पर डे लगता ही लगता है. Now, apart from the late filing fees, let's understand the penalty provisions. If company fails to file the annual return, then company and officer in default shall be liable to pay the penalty, which can extend up to rupees 10,000 plus rupees 100 per day, subject to maximum limit prescribed under the law. Similarly, if the financial statements are not filed, then also company and officer in default can face the penalty. And officer in default के definition में directors भी आते हैं. So it's not just about late filing fees, it affects the directors directly. अगर कंपनी continuously delay करती जा रही है in filing forms, then इसके कुछ serious consequences हो सकते हैं. If company continuously fails to file, then there is director's disqualification risk. Company may become non-compliant, banks and tender issues, difficulty in fundraising. इसलिए एनुअल फाइलिंग को लाइटली लेना रिस्की है. इफ़ यू हैव ऑलरेडी मिस द डेडलाइन, देन फाइल द फॉर्म्स इमिडिएटली. डिले और मत बढ़ाइए. चेक द AGM डेट, चेक दैट द DSCs आर वैलिड एज ऑन डेट, financials are properly signed, board resolutions are in place. Remember, delay का एक ही solution है, file as soon as possible. So, to summarize, the due date for AOC4 is 30 days within the date of the AGM. For MGT7, it's 60 days from the date of the AGM. Late filing fees is rupees 100 per day with no maximum cap. Additional penalty is possible under Section 92 and 137 of the Companies Act 2013. अगर आप डायरेक्टर हैं या स्टार्टअप फाउंडर, please ensure compliance on time. If you found this video helpful, subscribe to the channel for more practical updates on company law compliance. Thank you for watching.